Hey guys, what's up? So it's been quite a start to 2019. I've been sick all week so far. I missed my post-op appointments that I was supposed to have today with Dr. Chen and Dr. Lin, just because I feel like death. I don't have a fever today though. I had a fever all day Wednesday. Yeah. I was able to make it to my knee appointment though on Thursday. And the verdict for that basically is my surgeon switched back from wanting to do a high tibial osteotomy to back to cartilage transplant. So that's good news, but I'm going to kind of push that back as far as I possibly can stand it, just because I need a break and I really want to spend these next few months packing on some muscle and just having a normal life without surgery interruptions for a little bit. So knee surgery is hopefully going to be pushed back as far as I can push it. But until then, I have some good news. I have two things that I want to talk about. Number one thing is that on Tuesday, if all goes as planned, I am finally getting my eyebrows fixed. After the bazillions and millions of comments about my eyebrows looking too feminine or too thin or whatever, or that I should look into microblading. I've been looking into microblading for a while now. The problem is that microblading costs like at least $500. However, I happened to make a connection the last time I got this tattoo right here. This one. The tattoo artist, she also does microblading, and she offered me a deal that I cannot pass up. So I'm finally gonna get my eyebrows microbladed. I cannot wait. I didn't think I was ever gonna be able to afford it. So hopefully, I can feel a little bit more comfortable in my skin and not have to worry so much about my eyebrows. I mean, it's not just when I look at the comments, it's like if I look at pictures, like if it's me and my brother or something, like if I look at my eyebrows, I'm just like, damn, yeah, like they are so thin. But you know, the 90s were real and they were real bad for the eyebrows. So yeah, on that note, I'm gonna take you along with me, just so I can show you what microblading is all about. Some people don't really know what it is, so I'm gonna do my best to capture all the information about that. So stay tuned. Tuesday, it'll probably go up like on Wednesday or something. And the second thing that I want to announce is that I've been working pretty hard on a nutrition program. It's for beginners, keep that in mind. It's like a beginner's nutrition program of how to change your eating habits, kind of overhauling your eating habits, and that is finally complete and that is up, ready for purchase. I will put the link down below, and I'm excited to get that out to anyone who is interested. The price is $20, and it's a one-time payment. You get access to it all times after that. So yeah, those are my exciting announcements. It's not super exciting, but yeah, I'm gonna go now because it still hurts to talk a little bit, and stay tuned for the microblading. And I hope anyone who decides to enroll in the nutrition program that you enjoy it. Any feedback is 100% welcome. And I still have open slots for personal training as well if anyone is interested in working with me individually. So yeah, hopefully I will get unsick very soon and I can work on getting back in the gym. I'm going insane. It's either surgery or sickness. It's just like whatever. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace out. I'll see you next time.